Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you a project. So just a couple of days ago I released a video showing you, basically I did a tutorial on making this album. And then I also showed you that I made this one. The thing is, I'm in this collab. It's the Merry Makers Craft Christmas collab. And I was trying to use up my stash of all the Christmas paper. I didn't have much, admittedly, but I still want to use it up. And I also had this fun textured paper in my stash. I also showed this red paper, similar to this, but red. It looks like glitter. I mean, doesn't it look like glitter? But it's not. So anyhow, I didn't have time to make the video showing you that album when I made this one. I still was working on it, but I figured, okay, as soon as I finish it, I'll show you guys that video. So there's these two, and then let me show you this. Well, this is how it started. Isn't this paper gorgeous? But I used the Graphic 45 Warm Wishes collection from 2022. It's a gorgeous collection, but I didn't like how it looked with this cover. Now, maybe if I had used something instead of this silver metallic paper and glitter, it would have been okay. But I finished it and I hated it. So let me take this off and show you what I actually made. So the cover is a little different, admittedly. The cover is a little different. I popped up a couple of layers using one of the papers as inspiration and adding some fussy cut flowers. These are popped up, this is popped up, and this actually has a magnetic closure instead of that the belt looking thing. Let me take you inside and show you this mini album. And again, I did do a tutorial on this one. Now, I mean, I added some pockets and things, but it's pretty simple. Oh, well, let's start actually at the beginning. So here is the first page, inside front cover. I don't think I did this in the other tutorial, but I added it for this. Again, I'm trying to use up the paper, and I had something similar to this. So this opens like that opens like that, and then we've got these two tags inside the pocket. But doesn't that make a pretty spread? So that'll go like that, and that stays closed. Now this one is a pocket album, so we have room for probably a 4x5 picture. Then this has a tuck spot at the side, and I've got some of the elements, the cut aparts from the collection. I just had an 8x8 pad, so I didn't have a lot. Here's just one of the cut aparts, and here is a photo mat. So I just fussy cut this and made that a tuck spot. Here is the hidden photo mat. Oh, darn, I didn't make something for this pocket. I wasn't sure what color I was going to go with, but I will do that before I put it in my Etsy shop. So there is that, and that slips in there. So you could put a photo right on here. There's no reason why you can't. And then I'll have probably a little folder inside this pocket. But isn't the paper pretty? So here I just used some of the cut aparts on the side. I used some craft color cardstock and just added one of the border strips on the side there. There is our pocket. On this page, I cut these, put them on some heavyweight cardstock and made them as a tuck spot. So this actually will come off. I didn't want to make it too thick, but then these will open so you can add your photos to that. See, lots of room in this album, isn't there? There is our hidden photo mat. Here I took this cut apart and just added it here, had it just glued on one side so it's open, and added a couple more elements. And this I did make a photo mat and put it in this pocket, which is quite large. So that's just decoration. That's got the magnet on it, but it looks nice with these two elements together. So again, I wasn't happy with how it looked, but I did add some other things to it, and I hope you like it. Like I said, this will be in my Etsy shop pretty soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a fabulous day.